everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your SIN number with TD Bank. Keeping your SIN number up to date is crucial, and it's a simple process. Let's get started. First, make sure you have all the necessary documents. This includes your updated SIN card or letter, a piece of government-issued ID like your driver's license or passport, and any other documents TD Bank might require. Once you're logged in, look for the Profile and Settings section. Click on it, and you should see an option to update personal information. Find the section where you can update your SIN number. Enter the new SIN number carefully. Double-check to make sure there are no mistakes. After entering your updated SIN number, confirm the changes. You might be required to answer some security questions. Once confirmed, save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your SIN number with TD Bank. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.